this is Granny B, and in this video I show you how to make Dave the Minion in a Halloween outfit with Play-Doh. Have fun! We need black Play-Doh, purple Play-Doh, yellow Play-Doh of course, white, a little bit of brown for the eyes, and a roller to roll the Play-Doh, a little color, and a top of a glass or jar for the eyes. Those are wire ties I use for the hair of the minions. Very, very handy to use. And of course, a plastic container to build your minion on. Let's get started. We use the yellow. We roll it flat with a big roller and then form it around your plastic container. There you go. We put some more Play-Doh on the head. It's easier to put the hair in. We cover up the whole container, also the bottom, see? Now we mix the purple and the black for the coat, for the Halloween coat. Makes a really nice color combination. Look, see? I like those colors together. Those are the Halloween colors, purple and black. Take a little piece out for the color on the Halloween costume. Here's the purple, you roll it flat and then cut a little bit out for the color. That's the right color. It's purple, it stands out a little. I like that color combination. There goes the other side. Mold it on there. So it's easy to do with Play-Doh. Now the pieces for the front. There you go. That's looking good. Okay, let's start with the hair. We cut it off, some wire ties. We cut it off. Bend them over a little, bend them a little. And then stick them in the head. Like this. I cut about 10 hairs and just stick them in the top of his head. Now we're going to start with the eyes. We need the white. We roll the white. We use a bottle cap to form the eyes. Number 2. We need 2 eyes for Dave. Stuart has only 1 eye. Dave has 2 eyes. Let's start with the iris. The iris is the colored part of your eye. Some people have blue eyes, some people have brown eyes. But Dave has brown eyes. Brown pupils here. And then a little bit of black for the pupil. All the pupils are black. That's 1 eye. That's the second eye. Now I'll make a little white spot on every eye. It's a light reflection what comes in the eye and it makes the eye really stand out. Just a little bit of white. Roll it a little in your hand and just put it on the halfway the iris and the pupil. See? Number 1 eye. That's number 2. The eye reflection has to be the same, on the same location in both eyes, okay? Now we're going to work on the rim of the glasses. We mix black and white to get a nice color gray. Here you go. It takes longer than that, but you know what I mean. Mold it. There you go. roll a little bit, and mold it in the shape of a rim. The rim of the glasses are pretty thick. I think you noticed. And now just form them around the eye. It's really not that hard. It's really easy to work with Play-Doh. There's other piece. Just stick it on there. It's working out all right. Looking pretty sharp, don't you think? Now we're gonna make the side pieces that holds the rim, the glasses on the head. That's one piece. I made them out of black. You can also use dark brown. Doesn't really matter. Just stick them on there. Starting to look good, right? We work on the mouth right now. This is a Halloween version, and we're gonna make two big vampire teeth on them. Normally Minions have very nice teeth, big teeth. I'm gonna mold them now, and then you know what I mean. That's one. He looks a little bit afraid, Dave, here. And that's okay, it's Halloween, so that's okay. There goes the second tooth. Yep, looking sharp. We're gonna make some eyelids. Sometimes you see them at the eyes of the Minions, and sometimes you don't. I'm gonna make some little ones. And the eyelids, actually, before you put them in, they look like little bananas. See? That's cool, right? Minions and bananas. They always go together. There's another banana for the other eye. There you go. Looking good. Looking great. I hope that you like this video with Dave in the Halloween costume. Follow my other videos. Bye bye.